Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add fade in and fade out effects in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see your audio track loaded in the workspace, you're ready to start adding those professional sounding fade effects that can really polish your audio projects. Now, to add a fade in effect at the beginning of your audio, you'll need to select the portion where you want the fade to happen. Click and drag your mouse over the audio section you want to fade in. Typically, this is at the very beginning of your track, but you can apply it anywhere you need a smooth transition. This selection tells Audacity exactly where to apply the effect, giving you precise control over your audio. Next, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. This will open a drop-down menu with all the available audio effects Audacity has to offer. From there, hover your mouse over the fading option. You'll see a sub-menu appear with different fading choices. Go ahead and select Fade In from that list. This effect gradually increases the volume from silence to full level, creating that smooth, professional entry into your audio that prevents any jarring starts. Now let's add a fade out effect to create an equally smooth ending. Click and drag over the audio section where you want the fade out to happen. This is usually at the end of your track, but again, you can apply it wherever you need a gentle volume decrease. Selecting the right portion ensures the fade happens exactly where you want it. Once you've made your selection, click Effect in the top toolbar again. Hover your mouse over fading just like before, but this time select Fade Out. This effect does the opposite of fade in. It gradually decreases the volume from full level to complete silence, giving your audio a clean, professional ending without any abrupt cuts. After you've applied both effects, it's time to hear how they sound. In the upper left corner of the Audacity interface, click the play button to preview your audio. Listen carefully to make sure the fades sound natural and occur at the right points. If you're not satisfied with how they sound, you can always undo and adjust the selection areas before reapplying the effects. And there you have it. You've successfully added fade in and fade out effects to your audio in Audacity, giving your project that polished, professional sound quality. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.